Cutting beans today. Going 388 and a train going by. Well, I'm loaded and I'm gonna go with the truck.
Alright, don't put Blackie, don't make a mess.
Yes, sir. Guess I can go back around this way. Nothing that says I can't. Just take my time so I don't get unloaded too quick and have to sit and wait. Yeah, I should just be able to blow the first one right on the floor without having to move, right?
Yeah, for the most part, but just keep an eye on it just in case.
Okay. Guess we don't need that. Needs to be the full length of the darn windshield, not just one little spot. So I want to explain to you guys what, as a grain cart operator, that I like when it comes to loading a truck is there's a high spot up here in the driveway, and I don't really care to load the truck higher than the driveway. I like to always load the truck lower than the field, if that makes sense. So the driveway be lower than the field like it is right now. Into bed it goes. I better start thinking about getting back down in the tractor cab, because it'll be built up before I know what happened. Oof. I cannot see into this bed whatsoever like I want to. I see it just barely start to peak above the boards. I better have the clutch in out of gear, or to let out on the clutch. That's what I'm trying to say.
Still got more in there?
No, I'm empty.
Okay. Well, then pull away.
Let's see, is this thing gonna smack that tarp? Nope. Good deal. Guess that's what we were going for. So I guess we'll you want me to go ahead and tarp that in case it does rain or start to? It's already tarped, or do you want to fill this stuff first?
No, you can put more on it.
Okay, I'll do that. Beans were testing at the moisture from Deerfield was 12%, which we'll take it. Test weight was 57. Need to find some lights. Let's see. Oh, those are too bright. That guy up there in the mirror looks familiar, don't he? Huh. I don't remember seeing that guy before.
These beans are better back.
And away he goes. And away I go back up to the truck again.
Alright, Travis, it's all you.
Yes, sir. But we did not make a mess. So that's good. So we'll try from this side. Maybe. And there it is. One full truck. Darn thing.
With everything, we'll come back over and get that. Yeah.
Did the same thing that 7200 did this morning. Fogged the heck right up.
This, you could tell it got tough as soon as that sun went down.
Daggone.
Yeah, I'm sure, yep.
Got to have windows so I can see what the heck is going on.
Just leave the keys in the ignition then.
Wave on your brake.
Tell you what, that guy got a real good radio wherever he from.
Check 425, be blessed. Big old San Diego wave, quack radio. Through. Oh, I know it's ringing about 5 or 6 stations all at the same time. Makes a whole bunch of hash and trash in my receiver, Roger.
So we will call it a night after we get done with this little bit. Just take the semi home empty, Start back up again tomorrow. Not sure when you guys will see these videos. I'll probably have to do some making time, but I'm good at that. Look at all that dust up there. It looks like snow. Shining off the lights. I ain't going any further because I don't know where that ditch is. And I don't want to flip the dang thing. Well, boys, I'm just gonna try it and go real easy. See if I can remember where the heck that ditch is. I want to say the crossing is right in... Okay, yeah, it's right in front of me. You sure you can let it all fit before I cross, Pete, the ditch?
Yeah, I'm on my last round. I got one more round.
Okay, I'll make my way up front.
Hey.
Yeah, there it is. Okay, just had to put some light on the subject. Follow him up so I got light to see where the heck I'm going. Big dark areas can get confusing in a heartbeat. Well, he's gonna try and fit with the head on. Give him a little bit of... Looks like he might make it. Just creep my way up. Stay back here in case I need to turn back around real quick. Did you make it?
Well, on that one I did.
I'll start creeping my way up behind if there's a pull off in case you gotta back up. He made it, but barely. Woo! Well, he didn't blow a horn. Now this is sketchy. Did he make it, Jason? I guess he did. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.